I had lectures with y'all yesterday only, na students?
Yes, sir.
What did we complete yesterday, students? क्या complete किया था हम लोगों ने?
सर हमने ट्रायंगल लॉ खत्म कर दिया और अब पैरेललोग्राम वाला चालू करने वाले थे.
Okay, triangle of vector addition we had completed.
Yeah, sir. एक मिनट sir,
Yes.
I have written it down. So we did triangle law and we did polynomial law of vector addition.
Okay, fine, very good. Soham, you said it right now.
Yeah.
Very good. You're such an intelligent.
Polynomial law of vector addition. अगर सर मेरा एक डाउट था एक्चुअली.
Very good.
HSC का बुक पढ़ रहा था मैं एक्चुअली. बेस
Very
वेक्टर्स
good.
चैप्टर का पढ़ रहा था मैं.
Very good.
तो फिर सर एक कम्यूटेटिव लॉ और एसोसिएटिव लॉ नाम का कुछ दिया था उन लोगों ने, वो नहीं समझा मुझे.
Can you be loud and clear?
हाँ.
And can you speak slowly a little bit?
Yeah. So I'm reading the HSC book right now about physics for revision. They have given two new laws that we didn't do at all: commutative law and associative law.
My dear, I told you yesterday itself only A plus B and B plus A.
Oh, okay.
You forgot, my dear. I told you very clearly. If I shift the vectors, तुम भूल जाओगे तो मैं क्या करूँ अभी? कल का चीज याद नहीं रहा. मैंने students I told you very clearly कि वेक्टर A और वेक्टर B दिया है तो एक रिजल्टेंट होता, मैंने B को शिफ्ट कर दिया तो मुझे आंसर मिला था A plus B. फिर मैंने B को शिफ्ट कर दिया तो मुझे आंसर मिला था B plus A. कुछ याद आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स?
समझा, याद आया सर.
हाँ, तो Natta made it very clear. It obeys commutative property. Commutative property का मतलब सिर्फ the resultant A plus B can be written in terms of B plus A.
Okay.
See, how do you generalize it? Now, see, this is the definition of a student. What is the definition of a student? To generalize it, that not done. Okay, but fine. To be vigilant is very important, students. Vigilant रहना बहुत important है. ये बहुत important है students को कि vigilant रहना. Are you getting it? So वैसे ही पढ़ाई के मामले में vigilant रहना बहुत important है कि कितना कैसे किया क्या किया, ये अच्छी बात है. Everybody students home is putting something, लेकिन at the same time you should know what exactly is done. अगर कल तूने खाना क्या खाया था और रात को भूल जाएगा तो उसका मतलब नहीं है ना. And I told this very clearly. तो अगर तू टेक्स्ट बुक को रीड करता होता, तूने नोट्स को भी मेंटेन किया होता, तो मैंने जानबूझ के मैंने बोर्ड पे नहीं लिखा. I wanted to see how many people can remember it, but I made it very clear during that time. Associative property is simply we can go for dot products and cross products. तभी होगा associative property. That you don't have to worry about. ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज यानी हम फॉर्मूलाज हम प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे ना उसमें यूज होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स सोहम यू वांट टू आस्क?
नो सर, नथिंग एल्स, खाली यही डाउट था मेरा.
वेरी गुड. ही सच एन इंटेलिजेंट बॉय. ओके, लेट अस गो फर्दर एट. ओके, टुडे वी हैव टू डू क्या करना है हम लोग को, पैरेललोग्राम लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑलरेडी आई हैड डन इट विद यू ऑल एंड आई सेड इट दैट व्हेन यू गो फॉर ट्रायंगल लॉ, the vectors we consider are non-zero, they are of same order. Is that clear? We can get the answer accordingly in that case. And students, did I explain you you can add and subtract vectors?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, did I give you an example of displacement can be positive, negative and zero?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. And did I say that distance is always positive?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And please, the yes sir, I'm getting it for very few students. All the students who are in the group, please see to that you listen to me very carefully. Is that clear? Okay, students, I'm just asking. Parallelogram law of Nandagopal. Why Nandagopal is coming so late? Okay, students, ये है parallelogram law of vector addition, students. Now, students, ये पढ़ना क्यों पढ़ रहा है? What's the reason for one to learn this? क्या reason क्या है? Why do I need to learn this? Okay. Why do I need to learn this? Anybody can tell me?
come here.
जैसे सोम देख, सोम पढ़ता है, सोम ने पढ़ा होगा तो शायद सोम ने आगे भी पढ़ा होगा. So anybody can tell me, why do I need to learn this?
So can I answer?
Why not, Smith?
So because not every and particular vector can form the triangle or a particular three side, it should be itself sometimes make a rebound and do every further vectors produce.
Okay, see one thing. Smith has tried to put forward the answer, but he was not able to express it very, very clearly. See one thing. पैरेललोग्राम क्यों पढ़ना पड़ रहा है? क्योंकि इसके पहले हम लोग ने ट्राइंगल लॉ वेक्टर एडिशन से हम लोग ने जो निकाला स्टूडेंट्स, उससे क्या तुम्हें मैग्नीट्यूड मिल रहा था कि सिर्फ डायरेक्शन ही अवेलेबल हो रहा था कि किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है? वो भी एंगल भी नहीं पता चल रहा था। कुछ समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ध्यान से सुनो क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं। अगर मैंने सपोज वेक्टर ए दिया है स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन केयरफुली, and if I give you another vector b, okay, are these two vectors are forming the sides of a triangle, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे थर्ड साइड कहाँ पे होगा? तो मैंने क्या बोला था? थर्ड साइड will be
Beginning of A to end of B.
okay, so that is the tail of A and the head of B. तो ये हुआ तुम्हारा resultant. तो मैंने
Yes.
जब resultant लिखा था तो resultant what did I write on, students?
R dash is A plus B.
Vector A plus vector B. Resultant was it. लेकिन now if you carefully look, is this I have written in form of vector or have I written this in form of scalar?
It's scalar here because it's only magnitude. Direction.
Pardon?
नहीं है.
Did I write down my resultant as A bar plus B bar? Is this written in form of vector notation or is it written in form of scalar notation?
Vector.
Very good, Shri. It's in the form of vector only. That means what exactly the resultant is actually showing me. Suppose if I say, listen carefully, suppose if I say, let us say this is 3 unit and this is 5 unit. Can you tell me how many units will be R?
No, sir.
Sorry.
4.
This is 4 unit. Very sorry. This is 4 unit. How many units will be R?
5. 5.
Who said this? Prayag 5. When exactly तुम्हें 5 आंसर कभी मिलता है, my dear? जब ये एंगल 90 डिग्री होता है। यहाँ पे क्या एंगल 90 डिग्री दिखाई दे रहा है? It's an acute angle triangle. हेलो, कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्या किया मैंने?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. देखो एक चीज ये स्टूडेंट्स पूर्वी से, my dear, how can you say पूर्वी? This is the problem. ये देखो ये इसलिए हमें पैरेललोग्राम के लिए जाना चाहिए। मेरे को देखो सारे weird आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं। पूर्वी ने तो 7 भी डाल दिया। पूर्वी ने 7 क्यों डाला? You know, because 4 plus 3 उसने ऐड कर दिया और आंसर 7। वाह रे वाह पूर्वी, वेरी गुड। इसलिए हमें ये पढ़ना पड़ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स। अभी पता चला रीजन क्या हमें ये पढ़ना पड़ रहा है? इसकी वजह से कि तुम गलतियां करते हो ना, यहाँ पे गलतियां करते हो, इसलिए हमें और पढ़ना पड़ रहा है। देखो अगर यहाँ पे गलतियां नहीं करोगे तो वो पढ़ना नहीं पड़ता। Students, यहाँ पे if A is 3 units, B is 4 units, my answer will be 5 only when the angle between the two vectors is 90. Now, if I say my resultant is A plus B, what is my final answer? A student who's wise and smart and थोड़ा सा भी उसका vector strong होगा ना, वो तुरंत बोलेगा सर आपने ये जो इसका फाइनल आंसर है सर, हमें फाइनल आंसर हमें इसका मिलेगा ही नहीं। ये लेंथ ऑफ द एरो हम पता ही नहीं सकोगे। 4 plus 3 तो कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ क्योंकि ये 4 यूनिट्स माय डियर, इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड। पूर्वी 4 इज अ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी। हेलो, अगर मैंने बी मॉडुलस में लिखा तो मैं 4 यूनिट लिखूंगा ना, ए को मॉडुलस में लिखूंगा तो मैं 3 यूनिट लिखूंगा। ये तो मैंने वेक्टर ए 4 यूनिट्स दिया, दैट मींस इट इज डायरेक्टेड ओवर हियर, इट इज अलोंग विद डायरेक्शन। दिस इज वेक्टर ए 3 यूनिट इन दिस डायरेक्शन, तो ये तो वेक्टर हुआ अलोंग विद डायरेक्शन। मैग्नीट्यूड होगा तो ये डिड आई राइट ऑन, इसलिए मैंने पहले पूछा डिड आई राइट ऑन इन मैग्नीट्यूड और डिड आई राइट ऑन इन वेक्टर फॉर्म। तो व्हाट एक्चुअली आंसर वाज वेक्टर फॉर्म। तो हाउ कैन आई टेक 4 plus 3 is 7? Purvi, did you get this? Purvi, are you there? तो ये मैं लिख ही नहीं सकता था 7। यानी स्टूडेंट्स जो ट्राइंगल लॉ करते हैं वो बोलेंगे अच्छा सर, यानी आप ये बोलना चाहते हो कि भले हमें कोई वेक्टर दिया है, दूसरा वेक्टर दिया है, हमने रिजल्टेंट फाइंड आउट किया है, तो रिजल्टेंट क्या बताता है? सिर्फ डायरेक्शन, सिर्फ डायरेक्शन। टेक अ सिंपल एग्जांपल, इसी का एक एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ। एवरीबॉडी बी विद मी प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। think as if that this is a bank of river. सोचो कि ये बैंक ऑफ रिवर है, ओके, यानी रिवर करंट है, झरना, जैसे झरना है, ओके, जहां से पानी बह रहा है, ओके। एंड नाउ सपोज इफ इन केस इफ ये तुम्हारी बोट है, ओके, तुम्हें बोट रो करते हुए पॉइंट ए से तुम्हें पॉइंट बी की तरफ जाना है, तुम्हें पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी की तरफ जाना है। अब ये झरना इस तरफ बह रहा है, तो तुम मुझे बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, विल यू बी रीचिंग एट पॉइंट बी, और विल यू
No,
बी
no.
रीचिंग एट पॉइंट B1, और विल यू रीच एट पॉइंट B2? कहाँ पे पहुंचोगे?
B2.
At point B2.
B2
B2.
पे, यानी तुम इस डायरेक्शन में जाओगे, है ना, यहाँ पे नहीं जाओगे। क्यों? रीजन क्या? तुम्हें बोलना चाहिए सर मेरा बोट को जाना था सीधा, लिसन केयरफुली, मेरे बोट को जाना था सीधा, लेकिन आपने रिवर करंट का डायरेक्शन इस तरफ बैठा दिया। तो ये हुआ वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोट इन स्टिल वाटर, ये हुआ वेलोसिटी ऑफ रिवर करंट। तो देखो टेल हेड, मेरा रिजल्टेंट किस तरफ गया? कहाँ गया स्टूडेंट्स रिजल्टेंट? टेल ऑफ द फर्स्ट वेक्टर, हेड ऑफ सेकंड गया, मेरा रिजल्टेंट इस डायरेक्शन में है ना?
Yes, sir.
अभी मुझे बताओ, अगर सपोज मैंने इसको 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड दिया है और ये जा रहा है ड्यू नॉर्थ, तो इसको मैंने आई ले लिया, चलो सॉरी वाई एक्सिस लेता हूं मैं, उसको जे लेता हूं मैं, और ये जा रहा है हॉरिजॉन्टल अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस, तो इसको मैंने लिया है 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड आई कैप। दिस इज 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड जे कैप, 3 मीटर per second I cap. How are these two? Mutually perpendicular. Agreed, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed,
Yes, sir.
students? Now can I get the answer for this?
Yes. Yes, sir.
What is the answer for this will be?
5 meters.
5. Why did you, how can you get the answer? Because this was 90-degree given to me. That's why you got the answer. Otherwise, you wouldn't have got the answer. So now if I say magnitude of my resultant will be equal to how much? 5 meter per second I can consider in this case. But if I have in vector form, what is the vector form we consider? So velocity of boat plus velocity of river current. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो ये हुआ तुम्हारा वेक्टर, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे भी तुम्हें मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं मिला, तो बस सिर्फ ये हुआ कि किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, तो ये तुम्हारी बोट किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, तो तुम बोलोगे सर ये नॉर्थ है, ये ईस्ट है, आपने बोट को इस तरफ लिया है, यानी मेरी बोट किस तरफ जा रही है? नॉर्थ ईस्ट जा रही है। एग्री?
Yes. Yes, sir.
दैट मींस ये सिर्फ क्या दिखाता है? डायरेक्शन दिखाता है। एम आई गेटिंग द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ रिजल्टेंट इन ट्राइंगल लॉ?
No.
मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं मिलता है। टू गेट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द रिजल्टेंट वी यूज
Parallelogram.
Parallel law. Vector.
parallelogram law of vector addition. Is this clear with everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All the students who are inside this
Yes, sir.
particular group. Not 1, 2, and 3. I'm asking everybody.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking everybody,
Yes,
all the
sir.
Yes, sir.
students. Okay,
Yes,
Purvi
sir.
saying it, yes. What about others?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great,
Yes, sir.
great, great.
Yes, sir.
Yash, Nand Gopal, what about you? Yash Parmar, Vansh, Upendra, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Soham, are you clear? Shubham?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shri, Shlo, Kritesh, Purvi, Nivedita, Mariam, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Krishna,
Yes, sir.
fine there, yeah. Bhumi. Okay, students, abhi dekho. Now, isliye that's what we have to consider, that we have to go for the magnitude part of it. Now let us understand this parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, and I'm going to erase this part.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a request.
Yes.
Sir, could you pin yourself or put yourself on spotlight? Because when you send the recording, if someone's speaking in between, then I cannot see your screen.
You cannot see the screen.
While the recording is sent, like in the recording that you send afterwards,
Okay.
could you pin yourself or put yourself on spotlight?
Okay. I, I can't see that option anywhere, my dear.
Sir, there's this three on top of your screen. There's three dots, and you click on it, and there are options in it.
But there are not there, my dear. I've done that. I'm doing it also. Mine is an Android device. I'm not able to get those particular things. I got it on the right hand side. The three dots on the right hand side when I'm trying to do it. I'm
Yes.
not able to get that pin part of it. I'm opening the meeting settings also. The other part also, I'm opening it out. I'm not able to get that particular pin part.
So you could try in the participants list.
And that's what I'm doing it. And the participants, what exactly you want me to do over there?
If
Hello.
you,
Yes.
So she
Yeah.
can pin it by herself only.
Okay. That also you can do it.
no, sir, I
You can
can.
go on the participant window and just
I
tap on
can do
search
it.
window.
Yeah, I did that. But when you send the recording, it's from your screen, right? So in the participant list, there are if you click on more options, then you can pin yourself.
I'm not able to get any more option over here. There is no more option in my particular desk bar. It's
It's okay, sir.
no, it's not happening. Mhm. I did that double tap. No, it's not happening. So
It's okay, sir. Thank you. Sorry.
it's fine. Okay, students, shall I proceed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So I was speaking about parallelogram law of vector addition. Now listen carefully, students. Okay, now when we said about triangle law, students, we were trying to see to it that the vectors were touching the head and the tails. That's why we could not get the magnitude so easily. यानी जब भी मैं triangle law करता था, triangle law of vector addition when I was doing it, I used to go for tail head, resultant was tail of the first vector to the head of the second vector. Agreed? This was the part we used to do it. That's why I could not get the magnitude. But now when I speak about parallelogram law of vector addition, what exactly it speaks? It says that to get the resultant, it's not necessarily that the vector should touch the tail head. What if I take two vectors and make them to intersect along the tail? Now see, this is vector A, this is vector B. Both of them are intersecting at their tails. So if I see the intersecting at their tails, can I consider this as the angle theta between the two vectors? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I have two vectors we consider. These two vectors are intersecting at their tails, forming an angle theta between the two vectors. Now I want to find out the magnitude of the resultant by simply using parallelogram law of vector addition. So what are these two vectors? When you look over here, whether you go for triangle law or parallelogram law, first of all, one should know that vector A and vector B both are not equal to 0. That means they're not zero vectors. That means they have certain magnitude, they'll have certain direction. Okay. So vector A and vector B are non-zero, we consider. They are of same order. They are of same order, we consider. Is that clear? In this case, they are the adjacent sides of a triangle. A and B are adjacent sides of a triangle. But in this case, what about vector A and B? Vector A and vector B. Vector A and vector B
They're
are
intersecting.
adjacent sides of a parallelogram, students. If I try to construct it, अगर मैं ये पूरे ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप को पूरा कंस्ट्रक्ट कर देता हूं तो क्या मुझे पैरेललोग्राम मिल सकता है? तुम बोलोगे हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
That means try to shift vector A parallel to itself. तो मैंने वेक्टर A को पैरेलल शिफ्ट कर दिया. प्लीज पे अटेंशन, this समझ में आएगा? Agreed? Can I shift vector B parallel to itself? Shift this vector parallel B to itself? Yes.
Yes, sir.
I can consider this manner. Now if I see over here, what kind of a quadrilateral I'm going to get it? What kind of quadrilateral?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Opposite sides are congruent and parallel to each other. Opposite sides are congruent and parallel to each other. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now when I speak about with respect to your answer for this, where is the resultant going to be? Then the resultant in this case, students, always keep in mind, is always along the diagonal of the parallelogram so formed. I repeat, when two vector students are intersecting at their tails, forming an angle theta between them, then the resultant of these two vectors will be always along the diagonal of the parallelogram so formed, starting from the point of intersection. The students, ये होगा मेरा resultant. Now if I want to write down the resultant in vector form, so can I say resultant in vector form? Can I write down? Ah sir, I can write down A bar plus B bar. Instantly student पूछेगा सर A bar plus B bar तो यहाँ पे triangle of vector addition में आ रहा था, आपने यहाँ पे कैसे निकाला? A plus B तो यहाँ पे आ रहा है, आपने यहाँ पे क्यों दिखाया? तो देखो ना स्टूडेंट्स, वही तो क्या हो रहा है.
Sir, they are both.
B को मैंने शिफ्ट कर दिया तो B यहाँ पे आ गया. देखो, tail, head, tail of the first vector, the head of the second vector. Oh sir, यानी यहाँ पे भी triangle law use हुआ है parallelogram में. Yes. Students, I made it very clear in the last lecture. Triangle law is very important. It is used in polygon law also. which I explained you all? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Polygon
Yes,
law
sir.
when for an enclosed
sir.
we
Yes.
consider. अभी यहाँ पे भी पैराग्राम में हुआ क्या? ट्राइंगल का मैंने किया है. अगर सपोज मैं ये ट्राइंगल को देखता हूँ, which triangle? O P Q. Then what exactly my resultant is? A plus B. If I go for O S Q, what is my resultant? B plus A. ये सामने A आ गया. Commutative property full true कर रहा है. यहाँ पे देखो tail head. My resultant is tail of the first vector to the head of the second vector. Hence my final answer will be B plus A. Over what's my final answer will be A plus B. Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the students who are
Yes,
within the
sir.
lectures, please, if any kind of discrepancy, please do hold me. Try to when I'm pausing myself, when I'm stopping myself in the explanation, that's a correct time to enter in between, and you can clear your doubts. Is that clear? But see to that you need to understand properly. Don't just take things blindly, because further ahead we have to go for numericals. And when we are solving numericals, during that time you should not have any kind of doubts, sir, I'm not able to get this. Okay, so now we can find out the magnitude. So this is in the vector form. So I've written this in the vector form. In vector form, I've written it. Now I want to get the magnitude. How can I get the magnitude? I want to find out magnitude. So now students see the formula for the magnitude. The formula for magnitude, what we are going to derive over here, students, is under root modulus of A the whole square plus modulus of B the whole square plus twice modulus of A. Somebody's mic is on. Modulus of A, modulus of B, and the angle between the two vectors all within the root sign. This is the answer which I want to get it. We are trying to go for this derivation. यानी मैंने पहले से तुम्हें फाइनल आंसर दे के रखा है स्टूडेंट्स, ये तुम्हारा फाइनल आंसर है. इससे तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा? उसका मैग्नीट्यूड मिलेगा. Now let us go for it. Please pay attention now. How to get the magnitude? Okay. So vector A and vector B are adjacent sides of a parallelogram in this case. Is that clear? And these are the adjacent sides of a triangle over here, and these are adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Can I proceed with the derivation, students? Students, are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the answer is now. Abhi jo bhi derivation bol raha students, it's purely from your 10th standard. I'm picking up points. I'm not telling you anything new. Sab 10th ki concept utha ke hum 11th ka derivation karne wala. So please listen carefully how to go about it. Since I've got a parallelogram, A and B are the sides of the parallelogram, what I do? Sir, ऐसा करते हैं ना, आप क्या करो मालूम है? आप यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करो. तो मैंने क्या किया, एक परपेंडिकुलर मैंने ड्रॉप कर दिया और ये एक्सटेंड कर दिया. That is what did I do? I have extended vector OP in the forward direction, and I drop a perpendicular from Q on the extended part. Let us say this point B2. Means can I say I'm getting a right angle triangle? Look over here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which is this right angle triangle? You'll say, sir, it's Q, it's D, and it's P. Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What exactly PQ is? What exactly PQ is? So PQ is B. I get it. If I say the length of the arrow speaks about the magnitude. So if I go for the length, of course, the length of the arrow is the magnitude. Now, students, can you tell me what is angle QPD? What is angle QPD? Instantly, students say, sir, the angle will be theta. And if I ask the student why, sir, आपने बता दिया ना, ये दो parallel sides है, so it becomes corresponding angles. क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angle and this angle are both corresponding angle. तो ये theta हो गया. Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can I
Yes,
use?
sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
can I use sine theta in this right angle triangle? How sine theta in this right angle triangle is defined as? This is a sine theta in this right angle triangle is defined as opposite side upon hypotenuse B.
Hypotenuse.
Therefore, what is QD B sine theta? Is this clear with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Means
Yes,
I have
sir.
found out the
Yes,
value
sir.
of QD. I found out the value of QD in terms of B sine theta. Can I use cos theta in this right angle triangle?
Yes.
How's cos theta? Cos of an acute angle in a right angle triangle is defined as cos of an
Adjacent
acute
upon
angle
hypotenuse.
in a right angle triangle is defined as its adjacent side upon
Upon
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
Therefore, what exactly PD will be equal
On
to
hypotenuse.
B cos theta. Is this clear, students? Is this clear? I've got the two relations.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Get the entire proof. What do I do? So you try to go for the entire triangle. Have a look at the big triangle. Okay, look over here. This is Q. This is D. This is 90. Point P somewhere over here. And this is O. Can I use theorem of Pythagoras in this? Then one will say, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
OQ
Yes, sir.
square is equal to QD square plus OD square. Students, can I write on OD as OP plus PD?
PD.
Yes.
क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
I repeat, I'm using theorem of Pythagoras in this right angle triangle, students. What is that? OQ square is equal to QD square plus OD square, and OD square I'm putting it as OP plus PD the whole square. Agreed, students? Now
Yes, sir.
substituting further ahead. Now substituting further ahead, what am I going to get it? So this is OQ square is equal to QD square plus OP plus PD the whole square. Can I run PD square plus OP square plus twice OP into PD? That means A plus B the whole square. Now can I put the resultant? What is OQ? What exactly OQ? So OQ is my resultant vector. Students, what does the length of the arrow signifies? What is the length of the arrow? What is the length of the arrow speaks about? Magnitude. So what is
Magnitude.
OQ? Length.
Magnitude.
OQ is what? Length. So can I put R square straight away? Did I use vector sign over here? Am I using vector over here?
No, sir.
No, that means what am I speaking about? Magnitude. What am I speaking over here is?
Magnitude.
What is QD square, students? What is QD square? Sir, QD का आपको value आपने लिखा हुआ है. What is QD square? So this is B square sine square theta. See? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about PD square? What is PD square? Oh, sir, that is B square cos square theta. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is OP? Students, what is OP? What is OP? What is this length OP stands for? Length OP stands for what? So length OP stands for magnitude of vector A. So can I run simply A square plus twice? What is OP? So magnitude of vector A, that is A. What is PD? What is PD? So this is PD. This is PD. B cos theta. Is this much clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Look at the final answer.
Yes, sir.
Now look over here. R square is equal to what? सर ये sin square theta और ये cos square theta, b square बाहर निकाल देता हूँ तो ब्रैकेट में क्या आएगा? सर ये आएगा sin square theta plus cos square theta. Agreed? Plus ये तो a square है plus what? 2ab cos theta. So elongate further. R square is equal to what? Sir a square पहले लिखता हूँ. Students, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta?
1.
So can I put this is a square b square plus 2ab cos theta. This is r square. I want magnitude. So can I say therefore r will be equal to how much? Taking square root on both the sides. So it will be under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Did I get my final answer now? Is it matching up with this?
Yes.
Yes. The difference I've put is what? See, I've written over here R, but I've written modulus of R. What is modulus of R? It's a magnitude. It's simply magnitude. What is A square? It's modulus of A square. So students, at times when you see somebody writing in this manner, that means a person is actually giving you the magnitude part of it, the scalar part of it. There's no direction involved over here. Now, if I ask you, I have two vectors. Now, so see, when I had two vectors, and these two vectors were considered to be two adjacent sides of a triangle. Now, listen carefully, students. This was 4 and this was 3. And if I say that the angle between the two vectors is 60 degrees, listen carefully, students. It's not 90, it's 60 degrees. Everybody be with me. Suppose if I give you this as 3 units, if I give you 4 units, And if I see the angle between vector A and B is 60 versus between the two tails, using triangle law, could you get the resultant magnitude? No. I was just getting the vector. I need just get the direction in that case. मुझे R की value नहीं मिल रही थी. कहाँ पे? Triangle law of vector addition में. लेकिन उसी को अगर मुझे parallelogram से करना है, तो what did I do? I've considered that the same two vectors are intersecting at the tails. यानी देखो ये vector A है, ये vector A है, यानी ये part आ गया, ये vector B है, वो यहाँ पे आ गया. इन दोनों के बीच में angle 60 है, तो मेरा theta आ गया. Now can I find out the resultant? Sir, resultant will be always along the length of the diagonal. Always students, whenever two vectors are given to you and they intersect at the tails, forming a certain angle, students, the resultant will be always along the diagonal. Always along the diagonal of the parallelogram so formed. How to find out the magnitude of the resultant? This becomes your formula. That is this or this. Now can you do it directly? Can you do it directly? Sir, आपने A दिया था 3. Now let us put forward mental maths. Easily कर दो. ये क्या होगा sir 3. तो ये क्या होगा under root 3 square. Students, please try to solve it. B को मैंने कितना दिया था 4 units. तो 4 square plus 2 into 3 into 4. What is the angle between them I've given you? Cos of 60. Students, what is cos of 60? What is cos of 60? Fast.
1/2.
1/2. So solving it further, what exactly I'm going to get it? So 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. This 2 into gets cancelled. 4 3 are 12. So 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 12 is how much?
37.
So now can you get my final answer for this will be how much? Root of 37.
Root 37.
37.
Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You understood
Yes,
why
sir.
why you have to use parallelogram law of acceleration? क्यों पढ़ना पड़ रहा है? Reason क्या? तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये होना चाहिए कि रीजन ये सर कि ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन में हम सिर्फ थर्ड साइड को रिजल्टेंट बताते थे, लेकिन वो थर्ड साइड सिर्फ मुझे बताता था कि किस डायरेक्शन में जाना था. सिर्फ वहां पे तो एंगल भी नहीं पता चल रहा था, सिर्फ इस तरफ जाना था. जैसे आपने बोट वगैरह का दे दिया था, बोट को जाना था सीधा स्ट्रीम इस तरफ आया तो बोट हट के इस तरफ चला गया, बस उतना ही हमें पता चला. हमें 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 बोट का क्या डिस्टेंस था वो कुछ पता नहीं चला, क्या मतलब कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा था उसका. लेकिन इससे अभी हमें पता चल जाएगा उसका मैग्नीट्यूड. अभी सपोज सर अभी इसका डायरेक्शन कैसे निकालोगे? डायरेक्शन का मतलब क्या? आई वांट टू गेट एन एंगल, सो लेट अस गो फॉर डायरेक्शन. लिसन केयरफुली. Look over here. This is my resultant. Students, this is my resultant. And look at the resultant. Resultant is always headed from the point of intersection in this direction along the diagonal. That means my resultant, my resultant vector, certainly, if I want to get the direction, it forms an angle alpha. Students, it forms an angle alpha with the horizontal vector A. That means this alpha will give you the direction of the resultant. ये जो अल्फा मिल रहा है ना, वो क्या बताएगा? डायरेक्शन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हिच वेक्टर? सर यू आर फॉर्मिंग दिस एंगल विद वेक्टर ए, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वेक्टर ए. That means if I find out alpha, that answer will be direction of resultant with respect to A. Now suppose if I take another angle over here, let me put this this angle as beta. Can I get the resultant angle in resultant in terms of beta? Why not? I can get that also. ये भी मिल सकता है, लेकिन ये जो डायरेक्शन में मिलेगा बीटा कौन से वेक्टर के साथ में एंगल फॉर्म कर रहा है? सर
Vector B.
ये साथ में. समझ में आ रहा है? यानी अगर सपोज ध्यान से सुनना, लिसन केयरफुली, एंगल गिवन टू यू 60 degrees. You try to solve this particular question. You got alpha as 15 degrees. Suppose, I'm just saying suppose, you got alpha as 15 degrees, 1-5. This angle is 60 degrees. But in your question, they asked you to find out direction of the resultant with vector B. So what do you need to find out? Do you need to find out theta? Do you need to find out alpha? Or you need to find out beta?
Beta.
Beta.
Beta. How much was this? 60. How much is this? 15. So what is the value of beta?
60 minus 15.
60 minus 15.
55.
So this angle is nothing but theta minus alpha. क्या समझ में आया students?
Yes, sir.
यानी there are students who are so wise enough to just find out alpha. अगर इससे पूछा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इसमें से को सबट्रैक्ट कर तो ये आंसर आ गया. But now we have to find out the direction, and this parallelogram law of vector addition helps you to find out magnitude of resultant as well as direction of resultant. So now when somebody asks you students, why do we need to learn parallelogram law of vector addition? So what will be your answer? We need to learn parallelogram law of vector addition in order to find out the magnitude of the resultant vector and the direction of the resultant vector. Is this clear with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
क्या मैं इसको अभी erase कर सकता हूँ?
Sir, just a minute.
Okay, those who want to write on properly, okay? And if you finish, let me know about it.
So,
Yes.
so in the second step, cos theta is equal to PD upon B. Why didn't you take PD as A? Can we take? So PD is vector A only, no?
Which vector is it? PV? Which one?
So I'm saying there the second step, cos theta is equal to PD upon B.
Yes.
So instead of PD, can we write A, vector A?
How can it be possible? My dear, PD is simply, I'm just taking the extension of this. The vector is so long in that case. This is the length of the arrowhead.
Yes, sir.
I'm just trying to extend the vector further. I'm just taking the extension of this vector and dropping a perpendicular on the extended part of vector OP. I repeat, drop a perpendicular from point Q on the extended part of OP. Clear? So it's not.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you.
So I'm writing PD in terms of B. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase now, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning. बोलिए.
सर वो जो स्क्रीन शेयर इसमें कर सकते हैं क्या हम लोग? आप एक्चुअली उधर नहीं करना था.
अच्छा.
करना था, यहाँ पर करना था. या तो मैं इनको फटाफट इनका रोल नंबर बता देता हूँ.
हाँ हाँ बता दो.
हाँ, आप वहां से डिलीट कर दीजिए ना.
ओके फाइन.
स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम बात हुई थी तो सब लोग अपना अपना रोल नंबर फटाफट लिख लो, मैं बोलते जाता हूँ, ठीक है? जिनका पहले नाम लूंगा वो पहले यस और नो कुछ जो भी कुछ जवाब देना, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि आप लिख रहे हो रोल नंबर। भूमि, भूमि,
यस सर।
हाँ भूमि, आपका रोल नंबर लिखिए 21। हेलो,
यस सर।
हाँ 21 AD 13044 F।
ओके सर।
ओके, देन
Yeah.
श्लोक,
Yes, sir.
श्लोक,
Yes, sir.
श्लोक अपना रोल नंबर लिखिए 21 AD 09045 F।
Okay, sir.
वापस रिपीट कर रहा हूँ 21 AD 09045। हेलो, हाँ लिख लिया आपने?
लिख लिया सर।
ठीक है, केविन, केविन धवल शाह।
Already have my roll number.
ओके ठीक है, अर्थ जैन, अर्थ जैन, अर्थ जैन प्रेजेंट नहीं है। देन उपेंद्र चक्रवर्ती,
सर नॉट माय रोल नंबर।
है रोल नंबर आपके पास? ओके
हाँ सर, एक बार कंफर्म कर लोगे?
हाँ कंफर्म करता हूँ।
सर 21।
उपेंद्र 21 BR 09050 F।
ओके सर।
ओके, देन जील जोबन पुत्रा, जील, जील, आधे लेक्चर में गायब हो जाते हैं सब। शुभम, शुभम आचार्य।
यस सर, यस सर।
शुभम, आपका रोल नंबर लिखिए
है मेरे पास सर।
BR 09052 F।
ओके
21 BR 09052 F। देन
ओके
पूर्वी
सर।
मोरे,
Yes, sir.
पूर्वी अपना रोल नंबर लिखिए 21 MR 01044 F। लिख लिया? ठीक है, बाद में हर्ष निषाद,
Yes, sir.
हाँ 21 MR 01045 F। वापस रिपीट कर रहा हूं 21 MR 01045 F।
Yes, sir. Done.
ओके डन। तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जब भी होगा उसमें सब लोग अपना रोल नंबर लिखेंगे अपने नाम के आगे, और उसके बाद
Excuse me, sir.
Sir.
Sir, I don't have my roll number.
Yeah, sir. Me too.
Yes, I also don't have my roll number.
जिसका इसका रोल नंबर नहीं है ना, मैं जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी मेरा नंबर दिया था, अभी भी टाइप करूंगा यहाँ पर। आप लोग उस नंबर पे मुझे लेक्चर खत्म होने के बाद कॉल कीजिए।
हेलो सर, मैं श्लोक बोल रहा हूँ सर। आप एक बार फिर मेरा रोल नंबर बोल सकते हैं?
21 श्लोक रोल नंबर वापस लिखिए 21 AD
21 AD
09045 F।
045 F ना?
हाँ ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
हाँ तो मेरा मोबाइल नंबर प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ, तो आप उस मोबाइल नंबर पे मुझे आप लोग भेजिए, जिसको अभी तक रोल नंबर नहीं मिला है वो मुझे कॉल कीजिए आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ लेक्चर, ठीक है? ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Thank you. So, students say thanks to sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you.
Okay, students, now let's see carefully. I had given the parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, I've erased that part of it, but I've redrawn the same diagram. Okay, vector OP is A, vector OS is B. I getting it? Shifted this vector parallel to itself. So these are parallel we can consider. These two are parallel to each other. Even these two also are parallel to each other, students. This is the alpha forming an angle direction we consider with the horizontal A. in vector form r is equal to a plus b. This is in magnitude. Agreed? And what is theta? Theta is the angle between two given vectors. Okay. Now, students, I already told you in the previous, which I erased it, what exactly QD will be in terms of it. So QD you can write down as what? Can you tell me what is QD can be written as?
So B sine theta.
Theta. And what is PD can be written as?
B cos theta.
Fine. Now this is how we can get the magnitude. Now let us go for direction, students. How we can find out करेंगे? Alpha find out करेंगे, students. Okay. Okay, see, sir has posted his message to all of your students. Okay, so it's to everyone. Okay, kindly note down the number of sir if you have it. If you don't have it, just put down instantly. Can you see the chat, students? Students, can you see the chats? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just put down this number and yes, sir, call him after the lecture is getting over. For those who haven't received roll number, सबको call नहीं करना है. जिसके पास roll number नहीं मिला है, उनको call करना है. Okay, students? तो sir पगला जाएंगे कि सब call करने बैठ गए. Okay, students. Shall we continue from here onwards? Shall I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Now listen carefully, students. QD is B sin theta and PD is going to be cos theta. I need to find out alpha, students. How do I find out the direction? How do I find out the direction? So a student will say, sir, alpha आपको चाहिए. So now let us reconsider the right angle triangle. Now which right angle triangle I will consider? This is Q, this is O, and this is D. This is 90. This was point B. This is angle alpha. QOD. QOD is alpha. Students, if I want to get the direction, can I simply use tan alpha in this right angle triangle, students? How is tan alpha defined as, students? Can you give me tangent of an angle, acute angle, right
Opposite
angle?
upon adjacent.
Absolutely correct. Opposite side upon adjacent. So opposite side कौन सा हो जाएगा, sir? Opposite side तो QD हो जाएगा. Adjacent side कौन सा हो जाएगा? OD हो जाएगा. क्या ये clear हुआ to all the students?
Yes, sir.
All the 27 students inside this group, all the 27
Yes, sir.
students, are you clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, ये है QD upon OD. OD को मैं कैसे लिखूंगा? See, I'll put in terms of break. OP plus PD. क्या ये clear हुआ, students? OP plus PD.
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Because P is a point in between O and D. So now can I write down tan alpha is equal to QD? What is QD, students? See over here. What is QD?
B sin
B
theta.
sin theta.
Agreed? Students, what is OP? What is OP? So it's the length of the arrow. Which vector? So it's the length or the magnitude of vector A. What is magnitude of vector A? A or modulus of A? Students, वापस बोल रहा हूँ. What is magnitude of vector A? A या modulus of A. Agreed? Plus, what is PD? What is PD? B cos theta.
B cos theta.
Agreed, students? Now can you find out the angle alpha? If tan alpha is equal to B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta, can you find out angle alpha? Yes, sir. My answer will be tan inverse B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. That's your formula to find out the direction of the resultant. ये जो tan alpha है, a student can also write it in this manner. Instead of B sin theta, I can also put modulus of B sin theta. क्योंकि ये magnitude है, students, ये magnitude है, vector नहीं है. Upon ये जो A है वो magnitude है. Can I put modulus of A also? Yes. Plus
Yes,
what?
sir.
Modulus of B into
B
sin
cos
theta. Sorry, B cos theta. That means either I can write it in this manner or in this manner. My answer will remain the same. So if somebody asks you, students, how to find out angle alpha, then this becomes your formula. Tan inverse of B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. Is this clear with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now listen. Abhi main connect kar raha hu, and I want the best of the student to think and give answer instantly. बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. हमने जब ये कंसेप्ट लिया तो मैंने एक प्रॉब्लम डाल दिया था ऑलरेडी. I'd given that problem. मैंने क्या बोला था? वेक्टर ए को मैंने कितना दिया था? I'd given vector A as how much? 3 units, है ना? Agreed? B को कितना दिया था मैंने?
4 units.
What was the angle between the two vectors was?
60.
60 degree.
What's my final answer resultant? Do you remember? Anybody remember it? Final answer?
In root 37 units.
Who's this? Who's this answering? Root of 37 units. देखो कितना memory sharp है. यानी स्टूडेंट्स यही देखना होता है स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर. मेमोरी कैसे शार्प रहती है. यानी अभी सिखाया और अभी पूछा. That's what. Okay. Now can you get the direction of resultant in this case, students?
Yes.
Try to find out the direction of resultant. Everybody, come on. Anyone getting the answer, students? Direction of the resultant. You want me to solve, students? Solve करो.
So wait.
बहुत ही easy है. सामने फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ है. दोनों वेक्टर्स दिया है. दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड I'm giving it to you. Theta is given to you. I need to find out alpha. So this is my resultant. This is my resultant. And my resultant is forming alpha. I asked you to find the value of alpha. Now let's see who's a smart and wise one.
So root 3/7.
Root 3/7.
Yes.
So 34.7.
34.7. Okay, students, let me solve. Can I solve it, students?
So 34.6, not 7.
34.6. Okay, now please pay attention. So what exactly it's B sine theta. Please pay attention. B. What is the value of B, students?
4.
4 units.
4.
Must be over here. B is given as how much? It's 4. So can I solve it over here, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll put it over here. So now can I say alpha will be equal to tan inverse? Are you getting it? Now when I go for B, how much is B given to me? B is given to me as 4. Students, sine theta, sine of 60. What is sine of 60?
Root 3/2.
Root 3/2.
So root 3/2 divided by A. How much is A given to me? 3. Agreed? Plus, how much is B given to me? 4. Students, what is cos of 60? Theta is 60. What is cos of 60? Half. So now if I have to convert it to the, so can you say my answer will be alpha will be equal to tan inverse 4 root 3 by 2 divided by how much? 3 plus 2? 5. This can I say into 1 by 5? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please, देखो ये 4 root 3 और ये 3 plus 2 5 होगा तो ये 1 by 5 हो जाएगा. That means it's 5 in the denominator. So now can I cancel? Yes, 2 2s are 4. So what's my answer? Tan inverse 2 root 3 upon 5. How many of you have got this answer?
I got this answer, but I'm not able to figure out the angle.
Angle, my dear, you'll be learning it when you're learning about natural tangents. Students, all of you will be able to get the angle when you're learning. वो भी मैं बता देता हूँ. चलो वो भी मैं सिखा देता हूँ तुम लोगों को. लेकिन वो estimation से होगा. लेकिन मुझे सबसे पहले ये बताओ, क्या सबको ये आंसर मिला?
Yes, sir.
How many students? Just raise your hands. How many students have got this answer out of 27? Come on, just raise your hand. Those students, 27. How many of you have got the answer 2 root 3 by 5? I want all of you to raise hands. Those who have got it. So the strength is 5. Just 5 students. 7 out of 27 students. Just 7 students. What about the rest 20 students? 8. Yes. What about others? What about others? Earth, Bhumi, Dhairya, Kevin, Kesha, Mariam, Purvi. What about you, Purvi? Prag, Ritesh, Shlok, Shubham. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? नंद गोपाल, यश, बुद्धि यश, यश परमार, सोहम, स्मिथ. क्या कर रहे हो? शुभम, रटू, शुभम, श्लोक. Are you all getting this answer or not?
सर मेरा स्लाइड एक एरर हो
No,
गया
sir.
कैलकुलेशन में, इसलिए आंसर नहीं आ रहा था मेरा.
Yes, sir. छोटे से error की वजह से आंसर रॉन्ग हो गया.
अच्छा, यानी कैलकुलेशन एरर हो गया है तुम्हारा.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Okay, now once again I'll speak about for this. Students, जिसको नहीं समझ में वापस में बोल रहा हूँ. आंसर सुनना how to go about, okay? Okay, fine. अभी आंसर सुनना students. अभी देखो मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ. Formula था alpha is equal to tan inverse b sin theta. What is b, students? It's 4. What is sin of 60? Root 3 by 2. Agree? तो अगर मैं ये नहीं करता, चलो मैं ये वापस बिठा देता हूँ. Okay, I'm trying to make it more easier. डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेशन कर लेते हैं. तो देखो ये 2 1s are 2 2s are, है ना? डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? a plus b cos theta. a कितना दिया है? 3. b is how much? 4. What is cos of 60? Half, so 4 by 2 ये 2 हो गया. Now students ये हो गया alpha is equal to tan inverse. What is it? 4 root 3 by 2 यानी ये क्या होगा? ये simply 2 root 3 हुआ. Divided by what? 3 plus 2 5. Is this clear now? Is this clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now how to get the angle? Now listen carefully. Angles you'll be getting it very effectively, students, when you learn logs in your maths. You'll be learning logarithms in your maths, and you'll be learning about how to find out the angles in that case. Okay. So now अगर by estimation से निकालना तो निकाल सकते हो students. अब मुझे ये बताओ students, 2 by 5 is how much? How much is 2 by 5 students?
2 by 5 0.4.
0.4. Okay. Students, can you tell me what is the value of root 3?
सर रूट 3 का
1.732.
1.10. उसको 1.7 लो बस सिर्फ 1.7 लो. यानी 0.4 into 1.7 17 4 से कितना होगा?
68. 0.68.
0.68.
यानी 0.68 आया, है ना?
हाँ.
कितना फास्ट किया मेंटल मैथ्स. 2 by 5 को 0.4 लिया, रूट 3 को 1.7 किया, 17 4 से 68, 2 डेसिमल. यानी मुझे क्या चाहिए? tan inverse of 0.68. यानी और ये तुम क्या मानो जब लॉग बुक्स पढ़ोगे तो तुम्हें करेक्ट वैल्यू मिलेगी. लेकिन अभी हम एस्टिमेशन से हम निकालेंगे अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू. स्टूडेंट्स, व्हिच वैल्यू? अप्रॉक्स. कैसे? एवरीबॉडी बी विद मी, लिसन केयरफुली स्टूडेंट्स. Now suppose if I happen to ask you students, what exactly is root of what exactly tan of 30 students?
So tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3.
1 upon root 3. Okay, if I tell you to rationalize, then what will be your answer? 1/√3 को रैशनलाइज करो तो क्या आंसर होगा?
रूट
जल्दी।
3/3.
वेरी गुड, √3/3 लिख सकता हूं मैं इसको अभी? हाँ, 1030 को व्हाट इज √3? 1.7 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, हाँ कि ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can I say this is 0.1.7 का मतलब क्या होगा? 3 how many are 17? 1.7 divided by 3 अगर मैं लेता हूं तो 0.3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18. Pardon?
0.5.
Around 0.5, around 0.5. ये clear हुआ everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Students, what is tan of 45?
1.
1. Tan of 30 is around approximately 0.5. What is tan of 45?
1.
1.
What is this answer?
0.68.
Does 0.68 comes between 0.5 and 1?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ये 0.50 है, ये 1.0 does my 0.68 comes between 0.5 and 1? Yes. So my angle of the resultant will be between 30 and 45 students. Between 30 and 45. यानी जब ये प्रॉब्लम देंगे ना एग्जामिनेशंस में तो क्या करते मालूम है? उन लोग ऑप्शंस देते हैं, ध्यान से सुनना स्टूडेंट्स. ऑप्शन ए, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द रिजल्टेंट दे ट्राई टू पुट फॉरवर्ड एज 15 degrees. B, direction of the resultant they try to consider as 35 degrees. Direction of resultant we consider as 45 degrees. Direction of resultant option D is 72 degrees. अब मुझे बताओ कौन सा बेस्ट पॉसिबल आंसर यहाँ पे फिक्स हो रहा है?
B. 35.
35 degrees. This is how they do it. Are you getting it? तुम्हारा आंसर अप्रोक्सीमेटली उसके आसपास ही आएगा. क्या ये समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स? Yes, Shri, you
Yes,
want to
sir.
ask something? Shri, you want to ask something?
No, sir. I forgot.
Okay, fine. Shri, did you understand, Shri?
Yeah, sir, I got it.
Okay, so students, we are going using parallelogram law of vector addition simply to find out the magnitude of the resultant as well as to find out the direction of the resultant. To find out the magnitude, this becomes my formula: a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, where a is in this case is the horizontal vector and b is the inclined vector. Theta is always the angle between the two vectors. How do I find out the direction of the resultant? I can consider as alpha. Alpha is tan inverse b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta. And students who want to remember it should remember in this manner, since this is tan, my numerator will be sin and denominator has to be cos, sin and cos. Sin upon cos is tan. So this is how you can't remember cos in the numerator. ये अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे याद कर लेते हैं कि अगर tan है तो ऊपर sin आना चाहिए, लेकिन एंगल थीटा होगा. I want tan alpha. Now suppose अगर मैंने पूछा, students, can you tell me what is this angle beta with this? If my answer is 35,
60.
can you tell me direction of resultant with respect to vector B?
25.
60 minus 35. What is 60 minus 35?
35.
25. Agreed? Is this clear with everyone? Students, are you all getting it?
Yes,
All
sir.
all? Fine.
Yes.
Okay, put down the information. You want me to erase it? You want me to erase it? You're putting it down? You're copying it, students?
Yes.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Just let me know when you finish, okay?
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Yes, yeah, want to say something?
Sir, can you please just help me out with the last part? I'm not getting that how 35 degree came.
Okay, okay,
Answer.
fine. Okay, just you only tell me the answer. What is the final answer you got it? 2 root 3 upon 5 you got it? This one?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of 2 by 5?
So 0.4.
And what is the value of root 3?
1.7.
Okay, what is 17 fours are?
68.
So can I say it's tan inverse of 0.68? 2
Yes,
decimals?
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
what is tan of 30?
Root 3 upon 3.
A 1 by root 3, naughty girl.
So then 1 by root 3, then we took now that rationalizing and all.
That is root 3 upon 3. Again, what is the value of root 3 upon 3? 1.7 divided by 3.
1.7 divided by 3.
Agreed? Ria, is it clear with you?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer of 1.732 divided by 3? 1.73 divided by 3. Answer निकालो क्या answer आ रहा है?
So 0.5.
और एक डेसिमल बोलो 0.5 के बाद में 57. हाँ 1.73 divided by 3 my dear, so 0.57.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is tan of 45? What is tan of 45?
Tan of 45.
Ria, what is tan of 45?
1.
Ria, you have to answer, Ria. Are you there? How is she answering? What is tan of 45, Ria?
I don't know.
It's 1 my dear. ये ट्रिगो के वैल्यूज है मेरे 10th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़े हुए तुम लोग और बेसिक मैथ्स में पढ़े होंगे. tan of 45 is 1. Agreed?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now see, my answer is 0.68. ये 0.57. चलो 0.57 ले रहा हूँ. So can I say 0.68 comes between these two values?
Yes, sir.
So my answer will be between 30 and 45.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if I give you this option, which option is best suited for this?
35 degree.
That's all. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Now got it. Thank
Can
you,
I
sir.
erase students? Can I? Fine, doesn't matter. Can I erase the students? क्या मैं erase कर सकता हूँ इसको?
Yes, sir.
ये तो सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल ऐसे मैंने दिया था just to get a knack of it, students. दूसरा मैंने और एक पूछा था रिया कि बीटा कितना होगा, ये कितना होगा, तो रिजल्टेंट बी के साथ में कितना फॉर्म होगा, तो somebody said it's 60 minus 35, that is 25. Agreed?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Okay, students. So I gave you the parallelogram law of vector addition, students. I'm just restating it. If in case if I give you vector A in this case, I'm going to get and vector B, and these two vectors are forming an angle theta with each other, I can get my answer of the resultant. So this is vector A, okay? This is vector B, forming an angle theta. My resultant will be in this direction, I can consider. So resultant in vector form will be A plus B. Resultant in magnitude will be equal to what? Under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Agreed? Direction of the resultant I'll consider will be alpha, and alpha will be equal to tan inverse B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. इतना सबको मालूम होना जरूरी है. जब ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो तो ये आंसर आना चाहिए. नाउ लेट अस मूव फर्दर. सपोज अभी तुम्हें एक थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट देता हूँ इसमें. नाउ सपोज इफ आई गिव यू two vectors, आंसर सुना. If I give you two vectors, one is vector A only, but other vector is negative of B. So what should I do? If I see the other vector is negative of B, that means what should I do? Vector
Direction
which
will,
is negative. Yes, Shri.
the direction will change.
Absolutely correct. What about the magnitude of vector B? Will it change?
No, sir.
Very true. See students, when I asked you just go for negative of vector B, तो नेगेटिव ऑफ वेक्टर बी का मतलब क्या हुआ? सर वेक्टर बी इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, आपको चाहिए नेगेटिव ऑफ वेक्टर बी, यानी सर द लेंथ ऑफ द एरो हेड विल रिमेन द सेम. The length of the arrow will remain, but the direction is now reversed. Is this clear? Students, is this clear? Now I'm getting vector A. Which is my other vector? Vector B. Is it in a direction opposite? Yes. What are these? So these are called as anti-parallel vectors. But are they called equal vectors? So they are not in the same direction, they are opposite direction. Magnitude, same. Direction, opposite. Now if I ask you students, can you tell me what is the angle between vector A and minus vector B? What is the angle? Fast.
Same as 60 degree. Means the same as the first one. The same.
अरे ये थीटा है ना, ये लीनियर पेयर हो रहा है माय डियर. दिस इज लीनियर पेयर. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग यार? तो ये कितना होगा? पाई माइनस थीटा. 180 minus theta. Two vectors which are in the opposite direction, students, do they form angles in a straight line?
Yes, sir.
This is vector B and this is my negative vector of this. So are they angles in a straight line? Yes. What is the angle over here? Is sir 180 degrees. उसमें से थीटा निकाल दो तो बचा क्या? बचा क्या? What is this we consider? What exactly? Pi minus theta. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
180 minus theta. अभी देखो ध्यान से सुनना, मैंने 60 डिग्री बोला ही नहीं था यहाँ पे. वो तो पहले सिर्फ assumption हम लोग ने लिया था. क्यों उसको assumption को आगे बढ़ा रहे हो तुम? और अगर तुमने 60 डिग्री इसको पकड़ा तो यहाँ पे आंसर तुम्हारा 120 होना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have said it 60. A person who said it 60. So if this angle is theta, what is this other angle? Will be pi minus theta. Of course, they form straight line. These are two vectors, equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. So they are called as anti-parallel vectors or negative vector of B. Negative vector of B. Is this much clear with everybody, all the students who are inside this class?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what students are
Yes,
doing?
Yes, sir. Yes.
26. 26
Yes,
is the
sir.
step. Okay, now suppose if I ask you in the examination, students, find out the resultant of vector A and minus vector B. जैसे कि मैंने पूछा था, find out the resultant of A and B. How do you find out resultant of A and minus B? Anybody who can give an answer onto this? I want to find out the direction. Listen carefully to the question, students. I want you to find out the direction of the resultant and the magnitude of the resultant of two vectors. One is vector A and other one is minus vector B. I want you to give me the answer for its resultant in magnitude and direction of the resultant.
So parallelogram law.
Absolutely correct. वहां पे parallelogram law ही आएगा. जो यहाँ पे क्या वो यहाँ पे होगा. अरे स्टूडेंट्स, ये भी तो parallelogram में तो फॉर्म हो रहा है ना. इतना मत सोचो स्टूडेंट्स, क्यों इतना मेंटल ब्लॉक करके से रख रहे हो? तुरंत तुम्हारा डिसीजन होना चाहिए. अरे हाँ सर, ये पैरेललोग्राम लॉ वेक्टर, आपने बोला कि ये एक वेक्टर है, दूसरा आपने माइनस भी यहाँ दिया, तुरंत तुम्हारे दिमाग में अरे ये दोनों तो टेल्स में मीट हो रहा है. और टेल्स ऑफ मीटर एंगल क्या है, पाई माइनस थीटा। सर ने सीधा बोला था कि अगर दो वेक्टर्स टेल्स में मीट होते हैं और एंगल दिया है तो सीधा पैरेललोग्राम लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन लेना है। तो यहाँ पे मेरा रिजल्टेंट कहाँ पे होगा, डायगोनल होगा। अगर ये r है तो इसको मैं लिखूंगा r डैश। क्या ये समझ में आया? हाँ कि ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The diagonal, it's a length of the diagonal. Of course, you'll get the answer. How do we get it? How did I get it? Prove it. So a student who's wise and smart will say, sir, triangle law of vector addition, shift this vector parallel to itself. This is your minus b. Tail head. Where is my resultant? Is this clear, students? I get triangle law.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
So in we have to shift the angles, we can use roller scale in this case.
Pardon?
Roller scale we can use for shifting the
For shifting what?
Oh, sir, I think he's asking if we can use scales for shifting the vectors over here.
Of course, you are going to use the scales only, na? When you're trying to draw and we need draw it neatly. So scalar scale itself only you're speaking about it, not a scale. He's trying to go for scalar scale. Okay, the answer is no. Now, if I want to go for the resultant, can I say this is the resultant I can consider? And this is my r dash resultant I can consider. So what is my r dash in magnitude? So my r dash resultant will be vector A plus into bracket minus vector B. So what's my answer will be? R dash resultant will be equal to what? Vector A minus vector B, which is this form. This is in vector form. Agreed?
Agreed. But magnitude or direction chahiye, so we'll have to use the other derived formula.
Yes, of course. We are going to use that formula in that case. We'll come to that.
Sir, can you repeat the values of A and B over here?
There is no values given, my dear. अभी मेरे को दे ही नहीं रहा कुछ प्रॉब्लम दिया ही नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ अभी फॉर्मूला बता रहा हूँ. This is vector formula. So now listen carefully. Now if I want to go for the resultant, how do I go about? So the formula will be what? So resultant in magnitude will be equal to what? What's your answer? So under root. Formula will be what? If I happen to go for the formula.
Under root module A square, module A module plus B, module B the whole square minus 2 AB cos
Agar
theta.
मैंने minus B, suppose students, if I put minus B, if it's within the modulus sign, will make a difference? No. Answer will be positive. हमेशा ये minus क्या दिखाता है मालूम है? Students, this minus B shows direction. Negative sign over here shows direction. This negative sign shows
direction.
तो यहाँ पे direction matter ही नहीं करता. तभी जाके students don't put it. Now if I run to modulus of A into cos theta, is this clear? Sorry, cos of which angle?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I've logged in with another device. Can you please take me?
What happened? Hello, what happened?
Sir,
Hello?
I logged in with another device.
So what should I do?
Sir, I wanted you to take me in, so you added me. Okay.
So can't you wait? How do you jump in between the? मेरे को ये कुछ समझ में नहीं आता तुम लोगों का. You are still acting like small kids. 9, 8, 9 students. My dear, it takes some time. All of you listen carefully. When somebody is looking at the board, how do you expect that he is looking at the device simultaneously? When you know the format of mind is in this manner, can't you have that much patience? Explanation चल रहा है, बीच में pop up हो जाते हो, randomly कुछ throw करना शुरू कर देते हो. थोड़ा तो समझो यार. Anything random. थोड़ा hold करो ना अपने आप को. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं लूँगा. अगर नहीं लिया तो फिर तुम can say it correctly, sir. Then say it. I will put it in the case. Where did I say no? It becomes a breakup in that case. The expression can be breakup. तुम तो loss होगी, but the other student also gets lost into that. Angle between these two vectors is what, students? It's phi minus theta. Okay, so I'll put it over here as what? क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Sir, instead of doing plus A into minus B, मैंने directly minus 2AB कर दिया मैंने, चलेगा?
क्या?
Instead of doing into minus B, I did directly minus 2AB. चलेगा?
How can you take minus how did you get minus 2ab? What you said it?
Sir, instead of doing 2a into minus b, I did minus 2ab because minus को मैंने वहां पर डाल दिया है इस रेगुलर में.
यानी ये प्लस इंटू माइनस किया तूने?
हाँ, because anyway it will be minus 2ab only ना, plus minus 2ab आएगा end में, तो I did directly only, I skipped a step over here.
Okay, please everybody, when Soham is speaking, keep your ears shut, please. When Soham is speaking, please keep your ears shut. Okay? Don't listen to him much. All of you all, I'm telling you very clearly. Soham, अभी वापस बोल तूने क्या बोला. वापस बोल और धीरे से बोल और शांति से बोल. मुझे पहले मुझे पूछने दे. ये क्या है? ये a क्या है? वेक्टर है कि मॉडुलस ऑफ वेक्टर a द होल स्क्वायर है?
मॉड्यूलस ऑफ वेक्टर द होल स्क्वायर.
उसका मतलब व्हाट डज इट मींस?
मैग्नीट्यूड.
Magnitude. So should I go for direction or should I take its magnitude of b?
You should take a magnitude of b.
Should I take the magnitude of b or direction of b also?
Magnitude.
So why the hell you took it minus?
Okay.
नहीं ओके नहीं, ये तेरा प्रॉब्लम है. तेरा प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे है. आज तक तेरे को स्कूल्स में किसी ने टोका नहीं इसके लिए, इसलिए तू हैव बीन इन डिफरेंट मैनर. आराम से शांति से करना. कहाँ भागे जा रहे हो? थोड़ा शांति से सुनो. यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग कंप्लीटली. शायद अभी आगे जाके मैं आई टेल यू वन थिंग, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. ये लेकिन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि तू सुन ध्यान से. जब भी तू एमसीक्यूज करेगा ना, तो क्या करेगा मालूम है? तू शायद अपने आप से मार्क्स लूज करके आएगा. तू सामने से दे देगा भाई मुझे मार्क्स नहीं चाहिए, और शायद ये तेरे साथ में हुआ होगा स्कूल लेवल में भी. तुम्हारी बहुत सारी टीचर्स ने तेरे को बोला होगा कि दिस गाय को आता है लेकिन वो अपने मार्क्स कुछ सिली एरर्स करके निकल जाता है. I don't know about it, whether your parents are listening to me, somewhere or the other तुम बोले कि हाँ यार ये सर ने पूरा डिटेक्ट कर दिया मेरे को. और ये क्यों हो रहा है मालूम है? तो बहुत फास्ट जा रहा है अपना थॉट प्रोसेस के अंदर या सोचने में. शांति से ना, काम, कूल योरसेल्फ. और जब भी मैंने बता दिया कि इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड, तो यहाँ पे तू प्लस और माइनस कैसे बोलेगा? अगर तूने बोल दिया प्लस और माइनस इज इक्वल टू माइनस, सारे स्टूडेंट्स तेरे को भी तो सुन रहे हैं, वो भी तो सोचना शुरू करेंगे उसमें लाइन में, जो एक्चुअली गलत कंसेप्ट है.
समझा सर, समझा.
तो यही तो बोल सकता था ना. तू यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं बोला? क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है, इसलिए तो सोचा रहेगा माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो गया. लेकिन मैंने क्लियरली बोलते गया दिस इज मैग्नीट्यूड. अभी क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स हुआ? एवरी टाइम व्हेनेवर यू गो फॉर डायरेक्शन, व्हेनेवर यू गो फॉर दिस, इट्स सिंपली मैग्नीट्यूड स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लुक ओवर हियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ इफ आई हैपन टू पुट फॉरवर्ड व्हाट एक्जेक्टली इट सेज, सो दिस इज r square, okay, r dash the whole square. Sorry, r if I happen to consider r dash, magnitude if I wanted under root, I'll put this as a square plus b square plus 2ab cos of pi minus theta. Now it's clear this formula. ये है तुम्हारा resultant. क्या ये clear हुआ ना everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is this angle? This is pi minus theta, students. Have you done your trigonometry, students? Can you tell me what's the formula of cos of a minus b?
Sir, cos of a minus b is equal to cos a into cos b sin a into sin b.
Minus sin a into sin b. Absolutely correct.
Sir, minus नहीं प्लस है because cos पे उल्टा है compared to sin.
बाकी सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा ये?
सर आई थिंक आगे है, मैंने आगे पढ़ा था मैंने, इसलिए शायद आता होगा.
In maths, have you done anywhere in maths? Have you done this?
Sir, we not done till now. ये थोड़ा आगे आएगा.
Fine. I'll put on the formula. Friends, जब भी यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन होता है ना, तो बीच में पॉजिटिव साइन आएगा, और यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन होगा तो बीच में नेगेटिव साइन आएगा. देखो फॉर्मूला क्या है? cos a cos b, यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा क्योंकि नेगेटिव है. sin a sin b, ये तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला. And students, you'll be learning this formula where? In your maths. I repeat, cos of a minus b, students, is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now let us solve this. Cos of 180 minus theta. Chalo, can I say my a is 180, b is theta? Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us solve this. Now put cos of a, yani cos of 180, cos of theta plus sin of 180, sin of theta. Students, what is cos of 180? Do anybody knows the value? Cos of 180?
Minus
0.
Minus 1. Somebody said it. Who was that? Who was that? Somebody said it.
Shri.
Shri, you said it?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely correct. Cos of 180 is minus 1. Minus 1 into cos theta. What is sine of 180? 0 into sine theta. Solving this, what's the answer? Minus cos theta, ये तो पीछे part 0 हो गया. So what is the answer of cos of pi minus theta, students? Minus cos theta. Can I substitute this back over here?
Yes, sir.
Can I substitute this back over here? So now
sir,
what's my formula? What's my formula? Magnitude of the result will be under root a square plus b square. ये होगा minus cos theta plus into minus minus 2ab cos theta and not pi minus theta. Is this clear with everybody?
So clear.
Please, is this clear with everyone? I've simply used cos of pi minus theta.
Yes.
As minus cos theta, and that's how we can get your answer accordingly. और ये mathematical relation है students. अभी कोई स्टूडेंट मुझे पूछेगा सर कैसे आपने निकाला, कैसे आया आपका आंसर? तो देखो ना, एक सिंपल हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं. चलो अगर मैं बोलूँ, ध्यान से देखना, cos of 180 minus 30. चलो इसका आंसर निकालो. 180 minus. Wait a minute. I'll consider. No. I'll put this as 180. Chalo, 180 minus 0. Chalo. Cos of 180 minus 0. Let us get the answer. Can I say cos of a minus b? A minus b. Formula will be what? Cos a, cos b, minus sin a. Sorry, plus sin a, sin b. What is cos of 180, students? Minus 1. Minus 1. What is cos of 0? 1. This answer will be what? Straight away 0 because sin of 180 is 0. So what's my answer for this? Minus 1. Ria, your mic is on, Ria. It seems that your mic is on. Sorry, Alisha, your mic was on. Friends, is this clear how to go about when the angles are given to you? Simply using a formula.
Sir, this is Trigo का formula ना?
Pardon?
This is Trigo formula, right?
Yes.
Trigo का formula है ना ये?
ये भी तो Trigo था ना? ये भी Trigo ही है. These are followed angles I'll consider. Supplement. And students, whenever you go for resultant, please students, how do you go about? The formula will be under root a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. That means, what is the conclusion you are trying to draw from here? The conclusion is, students, if vector a is given to you and vector b is given to you, forming an angle theta, my final answer is plus 2ab cos theta. If I try to reverse the direction of vector b and the angle is 180 minus theta, then the final answer is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos this theta and not pi minus theta. This is very important for students to keep in mind. Is this clear with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now suppose if I tell you to find out, students, can you find out the resultant? ये है resultant with respect to vector A, direction of resultant beta. चलो ये reading find out करो. So how do you go about? A student who's smart will say, sir, can I use this formula? Why not? Directly डाल दो ना, alpha की जगह पे डाल दो beta. What is beta? Tan inverse. यहाँ पे क्या है? B sin theta. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? B sin. This is theta. Our angle is pi minus theta, students. यानी यहाँ पे theta क्यों है? क्योंकि angle between A and B is theta. If I go for this part of it, my angle between A and minus B is pi minus theta. So put pi minus theta. That's all. Upon what? A plus B into cos of pi minus theta. Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
And
Now,
sir,
can you get
since we know
answer?
that
Can you
cos
get
pi
an answer
minus
to this?
theta is minus theta, we can say that
Pardon?
we know that cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So we'll substitute that equation over there, na, in this one.
Denominator.
And
numerator sin of pi minus theta will be, students, what will be? Sin theta. ये फॉर्मूला कौन सा कमा लो स्टूडेंट्स?
हाँ सर, ये क्या था क्वाड्रेंट्स का ना? हाँ सर.
साइन ऑफ ए माइनस बी, साइन ए साइन बी माइनस कॉस ए कॉस बी, ये तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला। यानी यहाँ पे मैंने ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया। अभी देखो साइन ऑफ ए माइनस बी, तो साइन ऑफ पाई माइनस थीटा, तो कहना से साइन पाई साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस पाई कॉस थीटा। स्टूडेंट्स ये तो 0 आ जाएगा, माइनस व्हाट इज कॉस ऑफ 180? minus 1 into cos theta. What is my answer? In this case, I can consider sin A, sin B. Agree? Minus cos A, cos B, I'll consider. So sin A, sin B, I'll consider in this case. I get it, minus cos A. So what exactly my answer will be? Plus I can consider. So I can put down in that manner. Are you getting it, students?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? So easily I can consider this case. The angle can be considered in that case. I can put forward my angle.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase this, students? Is this clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
could you repeat the last step?
I said it, sin of A minus B is sin A sin B minus cos A cos B.
No, sir, after that. The third one.
So now suppose if I happen to go for, what is cos of 180? Minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Minus into minus will be plus. So plus cos theta.
Okay.
Okay. That's simply a rule I'm telling you. That's simply a formula I'm giving it.
But sin theta, sin pi, sin theta is 0. So, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Okay.
सर आपने मुझसे किया अपने, I think.
Pardon?
Sir, sin A minus B का formula is not sin A sin B minus cos A cos B. It's different.
Sorry, sin A cos B minus cos A cos A sin B.
हाँ, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
Yes, very sorry, very sorry. यहाँ पे तुम्हें cos B आएगा. Very sorry. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. यानी यहाँ पे तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा? मतलब sin theta ही मिलेगा. Students, यहाँ पे जब तुम solve करोगे ना, students will get sin theta only. ये what he said is absolutely correct. This will be, students, क्या आंसर आएगा हमारा इसका? Tan inverse B sin theta upon A. What is cos of pi minus theta? Minus cos theta. तो ये होगा A minus B cos theta. And what he said is absolutely correct. Now the answer to not students. Sin of A minus B, students, is actually sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, students. This is the relation. ये ध्यान रखो, please. Now please everybody listen carefully. Sin of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is sin of 180? 0 cos theta minus cos of 180 into sin theta. ये तो पूरा 0 हो जाएगा, students. Minus of what is cos of 180? Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Into sin theta. So minus into minus will be plus. So when you're solving, students, you will get the numerator is always B sin theta, but denominator क्या बन जाएगा? A minus B sin theta. Is that clear? So whenever you try to go for beta as the angle of the negative vector, then students, your formula will be tan inverse of B sin theta upon A minus B cos theta. So one angle is this, the other I'll consider in terms of this part of it. So the difference between both the values is what? यहाँ पे सिर्फ माइनस आना आएगा अगर मैंने नेगेटिव वेक्टर लिया. दूसरा डायरेक्शन में क्या होगा? न्यूमरेटर वैसे ही होगा स्टूडेंट्स, सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर में यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा. Is this clear with everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
All
Yes,
of you,
sir.
all of you students,
sir.
all the students who are within the lectures, please. Okay, all the 26 students.
Yes, sir.
Alisha, is
Yes,
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Bhumi, Daria, Mariam, Ria,
Yes, sir.
Shri, is it clear with you, Shri?
Yes, sir.
Can you please explain that again?
Okay, can I erase it? So students, do keep this in mind. Two mathematical formulas ध्यान में रखना. पहला formula मैंने क्या बोला था? Cos of A minus B, students. Okay, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin of A minus B, students. What's the formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Do keep this in mind. you'll be getting your answers accordingly. And this is important in our students. ये दोनों formulas important है to solve problems on vectors. Can I erase now?
Sir, just a minute.
Pardon?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing
Yes,
it?
I'm copying.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes.
so for the second formula, you took minus 2ab because it was inversed, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Using the
this formula-
formula cos of A minus B. So I got it as minus cos theta, and that I put it back over here.
Yes, sir, got it.
So means this formula is only applicable when we are supposed to find the magnitude and direction of inversed vector.
Absolutely correct. Magnitude and direction of two given vectors, either at an angle theta or 180 minus theta, reverse. यानी सी कंक्लूजन क्या था स्टूडेंट्स? ट्राइंगल लॉ से हमें मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं मिल रहा था, हमें डायरेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा। अभी हमें क्लियर आइडिया मिल गया कि मैग्नीट्यूड और डायरेक्शन निकालना है, तो ये फॉर्मूलाज यूज करना पड़ेगा। अभी सपोज ध्यान से सुनना, सपोज if I don't take negative of vector b, those students who have done it, if I go for a का opposite negative, तो if this is theta, वहां पे भी pi minus theta आता कि नहीं आता स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
आती ना? Agreed? Is this clear?
Yes.
Then in that case, I can find out beta over there also with minus a. Why not? I could have found out in that case also. I could have found out in that case. My answer would have remained same in that case. What exactly? यहाँ पे भी minus आ जाता तुम्हारा. Can I erase this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So both the formulas I'm putting it back, students. Okay, this will help you out to solve further ahead. So first is cos of a minus b, students. I'm putting it in properly so that you'll be able to get it. It's cos a, cos b, plus sin a, sin b. Now, if I happen to go for sin of a minus b, students, then it is sin a, cos b, minus cos a, sin b. ये ध्यान में रखना तुम्हें। Agreed? दूसरी बात, अगर दो वेक्टर्स दिए हैं, I get it? A और B और दोनों के बीच में एंगल दिया है थीटा, तो रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर फॉर्म में a प्लस b वापस मैं लिख रहा हूँ। अगेन एंड अगेन पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत दफे तुम यूज करोगे इसको। मैग्नीट्यूड होगा अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab cos थीटा। डायरेक्शन होगा रिजल्टेंट का अल्फा विल बी tan इनवर्स b sin थीटा अपॉन a प्लस b cos थीटा। अगर मैं वेक्टर a देता हूं और मैंने अभी इसका ऑपोजिट दे दिया और ये एंगल मैंने पाई माइनस थीटा दी, ओके, अभी मेरा रिजल्टेंट इस तरफ गया, ये r है तो ये r डैश बार, तो इसको मैं वेक्टर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखूं? a बार प्लस इन ब्रैकेट माइनस b बार, सो दैट विल बी a बार माइनस b बार। इसका मैग्नीट्यूड कैसे निकालूं? विल बी इक्वल टू अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab cos थीटा। हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्शन? ये होगा तुम्हारा डायरेक्शन और ये होगा बीटा, तो बीटा इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स। ये क्या होगा सर? ये तो कांस्टेंट रहेगा, वैसे ही रहेगा। नीचे क्या साइन आएगा? माइनस साइन आएगा। दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड। Now since we are using cos, therefore I'm putting these values also. Okay, this will also help you out when you're solving problems based on to cos. Okay, theta 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Right hand side, it's supplement. What is supplement of 0? 180. 30, 150. 45, 135. 60, 120. Let us find out this value. Let us put down this values because this will help you out to solve problems more easily. See, you all know these values. You all have learned in your school levels. Ye supplement hai. What is cos of 0, students? +1. Cos of 30, students will say, sir, it's √3/2. Everybody knows it. Cos of 45 degree, 1/√2. Cos of 60 degrees, half. Cos of 90 degrees, 0 degree. Sorry, the cos of 90 degrees, answer is 0. Now, when our students go for supplement, students, 180 is supplement of 0. Students, अगर किसी ने पूछा what is cos of 180 degrees, that means cos of pi circular, that means cos of pi radians. My answer is -1. ये -1 होगा students हमेशा. And how do I consider? See, you must have learned in a basic math also in that case. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. How do you remember? You go in the anti-clockwise direction. कैसे remember किया होगा? Add sugar to coffee. यहाँ पे all trigonometrical terms will be positive. यहाँ पे सिर्फ sin और cosec positive होगा. Sin and cosec. 180 comes in the second quadrant, students. 180 comes in second quadrant. तो सिर्फ sin और cosec positive होगा तो cos तो negative ही आएगा. यानी जितने भी cos का एंगल देखो 150 डिग्री कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आ रहा है? सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में. 135 सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में. 120 सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में. तो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में सिर्फ साइन और कोसेक पॉजिटिव हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स. तो cos तो नेगेटिव आएगा. यानी व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ cos ऑफ 150? The cos of 150 is supplement of 30. So this is -3/2. That's why we put minus. Cos of 135 is supplement of 145. So it's -1/2. What is cos of 120? Supplement of 60. So it's -1. क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what we have to keep in mind to find out the resultant of the two vectors. Okay. Next lecture will be continuing further. Okay, इसके बाद में हम will do problems, will be going for resolution of vectors also. अभी तुम्हारा vectors थोड़ा सा strong हो गया तो mathematical अभी तुम्हें पता चलना है कि कैसे करना है. आगे जाके अभी हम problem solve करेंगे इसके लिए. Okay, is this clear, students?
Yes.
Want to copy down?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And next lecture, please do revise us, students.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, could you send us the recording of the first lecture because it's not even uploaded on YouTube?
My dear, in the first lecture, there was a problem in the device also. I feel like that maybe, I don't know, this is which lecture? Third lecture, I must have done it earlier, but there was a problem with the device in that case. So I could not get it, or if in case if I have given it back to them, I know I'm not able to retrace it back because I had changed my device during that time. Maybe in that case. So that's why you may not be able to get it. Yeah, so somewhere or the other, if this is my which lecture, students, third or fourth lecture, what is it?
Fourth lecture.
So I do feel like that कि first lecture शायद मैंने इसी पे अगर किया होगा तो वो तो होगा उनके पास. Even I'll also check it out, students. Okay.
Sir, actually your first lecture link, recording link, they had sent on the group, but due to some reason, link got corrupt. They told. So
that is
because
what
of that,
शायद
it is not available.
So technical issue होगा करके. For that reason, actually, there might be some technical issue must have happened in that case, and that's why I could not get it.